So, welcome to the course Hustlers. That is what I want to term you guys as, because the fact that you are you are enrolling to a course saying that, AI side hustles shows that you are curious. You want to understand what side hustle are we talking about and why are we terming it as AI side hustle. So, the fact that you guys have enrolled for the course, you are interested to see what is there, shows that you actually want to do something extra when you have some available time, and something extra from your daily job, or if you are a student also. I mean, anybody can start a side hustle. Or also, if you are a business owner and you have some time to invest, you also want to start something new, then also you can become an hustler. Why AI? Because we're going to talk about some tools, ways, majorly all around AI, and we'll see how AI can actually help you build your side hustle, which is going to give you a sustainable monthly income, and not only a start, but we'll talk about ways to scale that. So if you are in a corporate job, or if you already have a small business, you are a student, you are in university, you are doing your internship, whatever stage, or you are just, you were just, a homemaker, but now you actually want to, move ahead and do something, just utilize your time better. So you all guys are hustlers for me. Now, most people today want extra income. I too. So we want, but then we want stability also, because we cannot depend on one job, right? Because keeping in mind the how volatile the market is, we want stability. We cannot be too risky with our jobs nowadays. Apart from that, I've spoken to a lot of, professionals and everyone. We also want freedom. Freedom to travel, to move, to see the world, to spend time with your loved ones. But, with that job, you are anyways getting so much less time to do these things, to take up a hobby or something. So, taking up a side hustle, starting a business sounds so heavy. But I'll tell you how you can actually do that with AI coming in. And as we move forward, you will understand what I'm talking about. Because, whenever we think of, just starting something, a side income or something, we start thinking that, am I capable to do that? I would require some skills, I would require some money, I would require some investors, some funding, or primarily, maybe I don't have the courage or the confidence to start. I think that's also a major reason that people hold back. But most of us, like, we didn't have enough of these. Like, I understand, earlier, if you wanted to start a new side hustle of designing, or developing an app or something, you you thought that, you have to have coding or technical skills. But with AI coming in, trust me, you do not need to know so much of technicalities of things. Now, also, there's another point I want to add here, that, a lot of people think that, I'm too late. People are already, ahead of me, they're already doing. But then you have to understand one thing, everybody has a day one. So whoever is starting a side hustle or a side business, we've all had bad days. We have days where we've doubted, like, should I really invest my time in this? Is it really going to work out? Is it really going to help me financially? But these doubts, these negative views come in. But the challenge is to overcome these, because the technical aspects, the aspects of doing things, can be taken care of AI. You only have to take care of your mentality. Now, AI has completely leveled up the playing field for you. You do not need years of experience. You do not need expensive tools. You do not need a investor or a fundraising campaign or a huge network to start a side hustle. With AI tools, you can actually get everything done in so much less time, because people who are anyways in their full-time job, they are also using AI. So imagine, why are you staying behind on and not using AI to actually build a side hustle? Now, AI, how can you use AI? We just talk, we just give you a short description, like, of some ideas. AI can give you expert writing skills without you being an expert. AI can help remove the skill gap in this way. If you want to create websites, reels, logos, blogs, ebooks, you do not have to be a software developer. You do not have to be a social media person. Because with the assistance of AI, you can actually do that. AI is going to help you do things so much faster. If you know something is taking 1 hour, with AI it's going to take 20 minutes. Also, AI removes the money gap. Earlier, we needed expensive software, we needed expensive tools, we needed paid training, days of training to start anything new or to learn a new skill. Today, you can start side hustle using, free or affordable AI tools. Also, I think, that AI thing is working a lot because now even your clients, they want speed. Nobody's really interested, like, what was your previous list of clients, what was your previous kind of work that you've done. The only thing they're concerned about is that if they have a certain problem currently in their business, can you come in and solve that problem? So you have to actually rely upon your own capability, on your own, on your own urge to actually build a side hustle around whatever, we're going to talk about what side hustles you can actually take up. So now, people delay taking up a side hustle. As I told you, we think money is a problem. We need skills, we need a fancy equipment, we need a business plan, we need certifications, which is not the case. Now, let us see what we actually need when we are building a side hustle. So this is how, AI is going to give you superpowers. We spoke about that. Skills without experience, no money barrier, time efficiency, and so on. So what do you actually need? So you need a laptop or a phone, no high-end device. If you can browse internet, you're good to go. So if you're all on social media, if you know how to use social media, you have a phone, you have a smartphone, you can start a side hustle. Internet connection, because the AI tools, they work online. Curiosity, that's the most important part. If you are really interested to build a side hustle, of course, 1 hour a day and a problem to solve. You have to understand a hustle or any startup idea or any business idea has to be built around a problem. You must have seen such beautiful startups coming in, like, Zepto, Blinkit, and so much more. I mean, they have been built, or the idea of having such startup was solving a problem. So you have to identify that. And AI can actually help you. If you have some certain idea, just put in that information into AI and see what is AI saying. Is your idea really viable? Is it really doable? Can your idea be turned into a proper business idea, a business, a business plan? You can go and speak to AI about it. So now you do not need coding, you do not need any design talent, you do not need any money to invest, no complex tools, no experience, no office, no team. So do not even start off thinking of, having a team member initially or office or anything. Just keep it very simple now. So also do not wait for the perfect moment, because that will never come. And just waiting for that, for a time where you feel that, your business plan is perfect to implement, you will only keep waiting, because that is never going to happen. Because as we start a business, the improvisation, the changes, it is going to keep happening over the time. Now, so now, what is the major mistake if somebody is planning to start a side hustle? What is a major mistake we make? We start doing too many things at once. Now, if you have a certain, side hustle idea and you have on Monday, okay, then you start working on that. Then again on Tuesday or Wednesday, after 2 days, you have another idea. Then again on Friday, you have another idea. So by the end of the week, you have 3 ideas. And now what has happened? You are completely lost. You are so lost, you don't know which idea is good, which is bad, which can actually be taken up as a side hustle. Now that's the problem, okay? So you do not have to do too many things at once. You do not have to be trying to be perfect. You have to choose a problem to solve. Next, whenever we have a side hustle idea, we spend so much weeks planning. Then we get so tired of planning that when it is a time to implement it, we are tired and we say, okay, we'll do it later. Maybe this is not the right time. So don't do that. Do not spend too much time planning. Next, jumping from one idea to another. we just spoke about it, how by the end of week one, you have 3 different ideas, and ultimately you are working on none of them. Next, overthinking and equipment tools. So if you're overthinking that, if I have to hear a no, what if I fail? What if it doesn't work? Just forget about those things. Just have that idea and start working on it. Next, giving up too early. We spoke about that, right? If you are actually into this course, I believe I have that mentality that you are anyways a side hustler. You understand what it is. You are someone who loves to take up those challenges, and someone who's actually interested in building something valuable, and for any business. So if you know these, if you identify these common mistakes, you don't waste time and you do not lose your motivation also, okay? So stop jumping from one idea to another. Do not give up easily. Do not overthink. Do not just spend weeks or discussions planning. Now, once you know the problems, and we are hoping that you do not repeat them, so you are anyways a step ahead. So the biggest mistakes to avoid, we already spoke about: learning too much and doing too little. So now what happens? We start learning so much that we do not do. We start thinking about the idea so much that when it is the time to actually act upon it, we are so tired and exhausted. We've lost all the excitement. Then now we do not want to work. Next, starting too many side hustles at once. Now, this is also a huge problem I've seen. I've seen people, now supposedly, if I talk about a side hustle called as WhatsApp automation, if you want to start a WhatsApp automation service for any business. Now, what happens? You're starting it for a salon owners, for the salon industry, for the beauty industry. But then, you see that, this system is also great for the restaurant industry. Now, what happens? You are starting with the salon industry, you are catering clients from that industry. Suddenly, you want to switch and move to the restaurant industries. You can actually do that. But first, you have to scale and build a brand, a market value in that, the industry that you started first with, like the salon industry, for example. Be an expert, have a good base of clients, and then you can move on to a different industry. Do not keep juggling between industries. Do not keep juggling between side hustle ideas. Stick to one idea. Spending money before earning money. So, what happens is that we start spending money. Like, supposedly, I'll give you an example. Like, if you are planning to get yourself, enrolled in a gym membership. Now, what happens? You pay for the annual membership. You pay for your shoes. You pay for your outfits. Everything is ready, but then you are not going to the gym. It's just the same thing that's going to happen. You spend money. You hire freelancers. You buy expensive tools, expensive subscriptions, but then you do nothing about it. So do not invest a lot of money initially, because you know what? When you start investing money initially, your creativity is going to drop. And how is that going to happen? Because the pressure of getting the return from that investment is so high that your creativity, your passion around that side hustle is going to drop. So keep it very light, very simple at the beginning. Okay? Overthinking is also a huge problem. Do not overthink. Whatever you've selected, just try to understand and stick to it. Perfection will follow. Next, giving up is not an option, because if you are planning to build a side hustle, you cannot give up now. And why? What's the harm in starting something? It's okay if it fails, if it doesn't work, if you really think that you have to change midway, something is not working for you. It's okay, not a big deal. Comparing yourself to experts. So you are a fresher now. Supposedly, we spoke about WhatsApp automation. If you want to start WhatsApp automation, you are a beginner. Now, don't start comparing yourself with big marketing agencies. Be honest, be fair to yourself. Do not be too harsh on yourself. Now, what you actually have to do is you actually have to start small. You have to learn the basics. You have to launch something simple, not very complicated, and you have to progress. That's more important. Progression is more important than perfection for you. Because I'll tell you now, even the most famous tools now, they are not perfect. Everything is evolving. For example, even if you are using any app, you see there are regular updates, regular bug fixes, and certain updates. Now, if you think, if you are starting a business idea and you are going to be perfect on day one, or after 2 months or 3 months, no, it's going to take time. It is a ongoing gradual process. Now, how can we launch a 30-day side hustle plan for you? So we've made a very simple week 4 plan. Let us talk about that. So starting with week 1, okay? So it is the phase where you learn and you test the tools. So do not get confused. This is just a, a small summary of what to expect. So we're going to talk about different side hustles. When we talk about a different side hustle, we are also going to tell you some AI tools that you can use. So in week 1, we want you to learn and test those tools. Then we also want you to test 3 different side hustles. So now whatever list we give you of the side hustles we have, you can choose any 3. Test and try. Then choose your final idea. After that 5 days, choose your final idea. Then on day 6 and 7, like end of week 1, you research the market using AI. So the week 1 goal is to pick one idea and understand the demand. I'm not saying that you have to start with one idea, 2 ideas, or 3 ideas. You can start with, if you're very sure you know what you want to do, you do not have to go ahead and test 2 to 3 ideas. If you think something is suiting you, you want to start with that idea. But by the end of week 1, you should know what idea you want to pursue, what is going to be your side hustle, and you start the market research. Then on week 2, you build your first MVP. What is MVP? MVP is a minimum viable product, like whatever product or service you are offering, a minimum viable version that you can present to your client, or you can present it to your to the opposite party, just to see what you're offering. So a minimum viable product that you have to design by the end of week 2. Use AI, polish it, create simple branding. Now, if you are starting a service or a product, think of a brand name, create your brand. By day 14, build one page or a portfolio using AI. So now what has happened, by the end of week 2, you have a working version ready. So week 1, you had your idea sorted, you had your AI tools that you want to use, you've tested those tools, so it's ready now, and you started with your market research. Week 2, you have your MVP, you have your landing page, and you have a simple branding idea. Week 3, you launch and you get your first leads. So now week 3, we want you to create content using AI. You can outreach to people, your prospective clients. You can improve your offer with AI, because once you start, you go into the market, you start getting feedback. So the improvement starts happening. So by the end of week 3, the goal is to get your first responses or get your first clients. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to get your clients on week 3, but what I'm trying to say is that you will at least dive into the market. You will see what validation you are getting around the product or the service that you are offering them. And you can accordingly make changes. From week 4, you start to earn money and you build a repeatable system. So now this is a very, a rough outline about how we expect things to work. This may not be true. This may not be true in your case. Now, it may happen that your week 1 goals changes to week 2, or, it spills to week 3. And instead of 1 month, you're taking 2 months to deliver this whole idea. So this is not to scare you, burden you. The only point here is that if you are starting a side hustle, you are doing a corporate job. But then if you do not set a target for yourself, for your side hustle, it is always going to remain a side hustle for you, and it will never become a proper business that is giving you consistent, sustainable growth over the years. So target defining a deadline is very important. If you keep dragging things, okay, I was busy, I didn't have time this week, I was traveling, so no, then there is a problem. Because if you are being so honest with your job or with your current engagement, but if you're taking up a side hustle and you're not committing to it and you are not understanding the importance of it, it's of no use actually doing it. So give a target to yourself. So this whole plan is made in such a way that you follow this target and you do things as mentioned here. This is going to help you, build and scale faster. So by the end of 30 day, what is going to happen is that you can just read here, like, what are we expecting you to do in week 1 and week 2. So the whole purpose is that after 1 month, you have a real side hustle ready, a working product and a service, a confidence using AI. You have your first income using from that side hustle and a repeatable method to grow. So by the end of 1 month, we want you to be ready with your basic version of the product or the service. Okay, so just read. This is the week 1 goal, this is the week 2 goal, and this is the week 3 and the week 4. Do not be too harsh on yourself. I understand that you guys may be into some other engagement activities also, but then try to keep a deadline for yourself. Do not just delay the whole process. Then it actually makes no sense. So this is the whole plan. By the end of day 30, we want you to be ready with your first income, your how confident you are using AI and everything. So now we're going to talk about, in the next section, we're going to talk about some side hustle ideas. We're going to start with that section.